So, brothers and sisters, if I tell you, Muhammadun fil masjidi. What did I say? Muhammadun fil masjidi. Masjidi, because P came. Brother Samad? How will you translate? Muhammad is in the masjid. Okay. So, where is Mubtada? Muhammad. Where is Khabar? Masjid. MashaAllah. You said it right. So what is Khabar? Shibu Jumla. What is Khabar? Shibu Jumla Khabar. There is still more to it, but that I won't tell you now. As you become stronger, then I will add few more things.
So Khabar will be in the masjid.
In the masjid.
Not just masjid, in the masjid.
In the masjid, because the whole thing is a Shibu Jumla. And brother, how will you say in Arabic? Muhammadun Mubtada. Fi harfcha. Al Masjidi Ism Majroor. And together I will write down Jarun wa Majroorun. With today, together, isn't it? Shubu Jumla Khabar. I know it is quite a bit to swallow, but it will come because I am going to repeat it all the time. So, if you want to say in short, Brother Samad, you already said it correctly. In the masjid is the khabar. What is in the masjid? Jar Majroor. What is in the masjid? Muhammad. So, from a grammar point of view, Jarun wa Majroorun. And what is, brother, Jarun or Majroor in this particular case? It's a Shivu Jumla. It's a phrase. So if I were to tell you in English, which you will understand a little better, that in the masjid, it is a preposition followed by noun in the genitive case. Together, it is a phrase and it is the predicate. What is it, brother? Subject and predicate. Is it correct? Subject and predicate. Where is the predicate? In the masjid. And what is in? Preposition. And what is masjid? It's the noun in genitive case from our point of view. Are you with me, brother? Sister? So now watch for it and cache the khabar. What are you going to do now? You will cache the khabar in the sentences. Okay? Let us see. It's going to be interesting. But brother and sister, do not get worried if you cannot find it right away. Because I am going to repeat it in so many times. Are you listening to me, brother? That it will come out of your both ears. So and when you are sleeping and turning your side, you will say Jarun Majrurun. You will turn your side and you will say Jarun Majrurun. Are you with me, brother? InshaAllah. Yes, brother Farooq. Shubu Jumla. Shubu Jumla. Say 3 times. Shubu Jumla. Shubu Jumla. Shubu Jumla. Which means phrase. Means it's not a complete sentence. It looks like a sentence, but it is not a complete sentence. It is a phrase. Yes. In the masjid, on the table, in the market, under the table, over the table, behind the board, in front of the board. These are all Shibu Jumla. Okay, and we'll be dealing it one by one as they come in the lesson. Yes, brother Farooq, any other question, brother? You will be with me now, brother? So you know pronoun, and you know that pronoun are definite, so they are mubtada, and then the khabar can be jarun wa majrur. The khabar can be jarun wa majrur. Okay. I want you to, Brother Muhammad, keep on turning the pages. Later on, you can go to this page at home during weekend, brothers and sisters, and see if you can understand it. Turn on the pages and I'll tell you to stop and then we will tell everybody. Here, Page number 17. Sweet 17. Okay? Page number 17 in your handout. But you do not have to swallow everything. Brother, we are going to do slowly, slowly. What is the title? Shibu Jumla. Can you read Shibu Jumla? Shibu Jumlati. Shibul Jumlati. But we say Shibu Jumla. And what is it? The phrase. And slowly, slowly, we will master this. Are you with me? Now, keep that in mind, and at home you can read it and try to understand. But I assure you, brother, I assure you that within 10 sessions, you will know all these things, inshallah. You will know all these things, brother, inshallah. Okay, we now start. Aina Muhammadun. Now, is it a question?
Yes.
We are not going to analyze it. What is the meaning of Aina? Where? Aina is where. Where is Muhammad? What is the answer? Huwa fil ghurfati. Huwa fil ghurfati. Are you with me, Sister Salma? Okay, tell me, Sister Salma, is this sentence Jumla Ismiya? Huwa fil ghurfati?
Yes.
Why? Why do you call it Jumla Ismiya? Because it began with a noun. Where is the noun? Huwa. Even though it is Damir, but it is Ism. Got the idea? I want you to get into this, Huwa fil ghurfati. Is it a Jumla Ismiya? Yes. How do you know it is Jumla Ismiya? Because Huwa is a noun. Huwa is a noun. Ji? Ghurfati, we are coming. We are coming. Okay. Okay, brothers and sisters? Huwa fil ghurfati. Okay? Fine. What is huwa? That I know. Huwa, what is huwa? Mubtada. We say, when you come to Jumla Ismiya, we want to know where is Mubtada and where is Khabar. Brother, it will be so interesting later on when you will read Qur'an. And when we will write the Qur'an, and then you will be able to figure out everything, inshallah. Okay. Okay, huwa. What is fi? Harf jar. And what is al-ghurfati? Ism majroor. Harf jar? Ism majroor. Ghurfati is ism majroor. Sister Fatima, are you with me? Fi harf jar. And harf jar will always, always, always be followed by a noun. Nothing but a noun. And that noun will always be majroor, brother. Till the end of the time. This will remain. Okay? Harf jar. You are all silent. Ism majroor. Harf jar has to be majroor. No other choice. Are you with me? So now we know why the ism becomes majroor. Because one reason is that harf jar came in front of it. And it pulled the down. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fine. Huwa fil ghurfati. And I will say huwa mubtada. Fil ghurfati. Jarun wa majrurun. Shibu jumla khabar. Are you with me? What will you say? I know it is too much. But with intensive course, I take the liberty and give you heavy doses. Because you will go home and inshallah work. Again I repeat. Huwa mubtada. It is damir. What kind of damir it is? Damir munfasil. It is on its own. Detached house. Huwa mubtada. Fi fil ghurfati. Now I take the shortcut. Fil ghurfati jarun wa majrurun. Shibu jumla khabar. Because if I say huwa is mubtada, then I got to have a khabar. And where is the khabar? Shibu jumla. Jarun wa majrurun. Got the idea? Okay. Brother Abdul Qadir, ghurfati means room. Gurfati means he's in the room. Fine, brother. Wa aina Yasirun. Where is Yasir? Huh? And where is Yasir? And Ataf came. What is the answer? Huwa fil hammami. Hammami. Majroor. Huh? Who made it majroor? Fi. Huh? Good. Any question? Huh? No, okay. Feel free to ask. Huh? Okay. The question should be related to the lesson. Huh? If there are questions outside the lesson, then you will ask me after the class. Huh? After the class or during the break, inshallah. Okay. Fil hammam. Huwa mubtada. What is the fil hammami? Jarun wa majrurun. Shibbu jumla khabar. Are you with me? Brother Muhammad? Wa aina Aminatu. And where is Amina? Here, see now, the pronoun change to replace Amina, to substitute Amina. Muannas. Here, fil matbahi. What is matbahi? Kitchen. She is making biryani for us. Huh? Here, fil matbahi. Okay? Here, fil matbahi. Okay, what is here, brother? I know that. Here, mubtada. Here, Sister Salma is a pronoun. She, jumla ismiya. What is here? Mubtada. Oh, then, brother, where is the khabar? Fil matbakhi. Jarun wa majroor. Are you with me, brother? Jarun wa... I will repeat this tomorrow also, so you don't worry, brother. Jarun wa majrurun shibu jumla khabar. Got the idea? Inshallah. Brother, I assure you, on Monday when you will come to the class, you will know this so well that you will say, I knew this from my childhood, you know. I didn't learn now. I knew it all. I knew it all the time, you know. Okay, fine, brother. Ainal kitabu. Where is the book? Huh? Huwa. How will you translate huwa this in this time, brother? It. Huh? Huwa alal maktabi. It is on the desk. Huh? So, brother, huwa is mubtada. Huh? Where is the khabar? Alal maktabi. And what is alal maktabi? Jarun wa majrurun shibu jumla khabar. Huh? Shibu jumla khabar. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Very good. Aina sa'atu. Where is the watch? Aina sa'atu. Where is the watch? Okay, where is the watch? Here, ala sariri. It is on the bed. Where is mubtada, brother? Here. Where is the khabar? Ala sariri. And what is ala sariri? Jarun wa majrurun shibu jumla khabar. Isn't it easy, brother? I think it is halwa puri. Huh? If you want to call it baklava, I don't mind. I like baklava also. It's beautiful, brother. You will find, inshallah, you will find all these things very interesting. I was absolutely fascinated by it when I understood it. When you don't understand, it doesn't fascinate you. But when you understand, it makes a lot of sense, brother. And we will come across verses from the Qur'an, you know, which will tell us all these things.